So we're trying something a little different. This is on my second channel. I am currently gathering footage for Arc Raiders weapon tier list. Of course, something everybody else has done before, but I have my own biases, and I only really prefer fighting Arc, so that's what I'm basing this tier list off of. I'm not sure when this video will come out. And I don't even have all the weapons yet. I'm still missing an Equalizer and the Delabra, which I really don't want to work to get. But, you know, we're just going to be using the Pharaoh and probably some other weapons. Moving on to the green tier of weapons. Anyway, so we're going to go try and kill a Leaper. So that should be fun. As I've already recorded stuff for the Rattler, Kettle, Hairpin, and Stitcher, but I wasn't actually recording my voice. But I decided to do this idea of just simpler, sloppier content was slapped on my second channel, so I'm at least having a little fun gathering this mindless footage of using weapons.
Task now more than ever.
Shut up, Celeste. Nobody wants to hear you talk. Oh, I'm really far away. I know a Leaper spawns near this extraction. I think we might make a pit stop here. Because there's some good lockers there, which usually holds good enough loot that makes it a little valuable. I don't know, I've been playing Arc Raiders a lot, and I've been meaning to make content for it. Because I did make a 100 games video. That didn't do too amazingly well. I hope it does gather up steam a little bit, but I doubt it at this point. I don't know, if you are for some reason watching this, you know, you can go to my main channel and pick up. Ooh, it's actually not that bad. I've been finding a lot more weapon attachments recently. And a Rocketeer. I think we're gonna be heading inside. Try to avoid confrontation with bigger Arc. I know I'm after a Leaper today just to see how it goes, but you know, use this a level 4 Pharaoh on it. Make for some fun B-roll footage. Don't alert your Rocketeer, buddy. That suck. Screw you. But yeah, if you have like an hour to spare, go watch that 100 games Arc Raiders video I posted a bit ago. I quite enjoyed it, and I know my voice is annoying as shit, but you know, could be entertaining. Put it on the background. I'll take it. Fuck you, bro. Damn. That sucks. Get screwed. I think my Rocketeer is above me. Oh! Yeah, it is. I don't know, sometimes this Rocketeer spawns here, sometimes I can see it spawn, but sometimes I don't. Just gotta be sneaky. Oh. Still turrets in here? That's a pretty good sign. Two shots. If I don't miss, pretty expected though. I mean, we've all used the Pharaoh. It's one of the starter weapons. Probably one of the better common tier firearms. Actually, I wonder if I can use this against the Leapers. Bro, what? One shot, though. I didn't expect bro to come all the way in here with me. Have these lockers already been looted? If any of them can spawn? No. I'll take the gear. The parts and rusted tools. I'll always take explosive compound for more. This might be good. Raider hatch key? Not bad. Especially if I'm killing Leaper, I might need to get that. Though that Leaper is right next to extraction, so. I'll have explosive compound though, and some rusted tools. I've been finding those a lot more recently, which I'm not complaining. Rusted tools give you springs, and you need springs for a lot of things. Mostly gun components. Gun mods, I mean. Sorry. That door is locked. Some Easter egg, I think. Also, I think that Rocketeer is shooting at somebody, which is unfortunate for whoever they are. But, there was a supply call station out here, but I don't think I want to risk it. I think I just want to get to the where that Leaper spawns as soon as possible. Yeah, that. Let's get out of here before the Rocketeer either kills that person. It'd be nice if they killed it, not having to worry about that Rocketeer at all. Would be nice. I always hate this part of the map where, like, I know it would be a really long trek, but going through this area is pretty nerve-wracking most of the time, and I just want to get to the other side of the dam. Oh, what is that? A Raider flare. Who died, bruh? Better be from my other arc, because I am a very friendly player. Arc probe? Meh. I think it's only really worth looting the couriers, unless you're really needing of arc parts. But the couriers have a chance to spawn the vaporizer lenses, and apparently the turbine, like compressor, whatever their special part is. I have not gotten that yet. Apparently, it's only really seen on like night raids or like higher tier level map modifiers. I haven't seen it yet. I have seen plenty of vaporizer lenses out of them though, so they're pretty worth looting if you don't have a Rocketeer around you, threatening you with explosive death. A lot of pops and fireballs up in this area, so I'm gonna pull out my Pharaoh to try to deal with them. Yep. Is there a third bowl? Yep. But bro missed us out. Bro whiffed. Take more explosive compound. Oh, I wonder if I can use these things against the... I know I brought myself a wolf pack to try and make it a little easier, because I'm not very good at this game. Oh, I can drop that. There's other ways to get arc alloy. And we'll take the power cells, as I am quickly losing those, and I always never have any shield rechargers or power cells to make them. Tag and grenade. So I should probably start collecting more. Oh, heavy gun parts though, that's pretty nice. Oh, ribbon tides. I'll take that, put that in my safe pocket. I sure hope the Leaper's still alive. Oh, and these are really good too, these storage containers. I'm pretty sure that gives springs, but I don't want to really waste inventory space. These are all over the place on ribbon ties as you inspect the cargo containers. Probably the best source of, like, just a wide variety of loot. More explosive compound. Spring. Showstopper, I'll take that. That's pretty useful. And motor. I'll leave that. I don't really need motors anymore because I already upgraded the bench that requires motors. So, should be good. I'm hoping the Leaper... I know I have seen the Leaper cross between this area and out in a hydroponics area. I know he can... Jesus, did they buff this thing, bro? I didn't realize I could one-shot those guys pretty consistently. Oh, another... I might do this one. This... supply call station. Though they're a snitch. Because these are always nice, because sometimes you can get a blue tier weapon like a Venator or a Renegade. I haven't seen anything else in there, but I'm assuming it can drop a Torrent or Torrente, sorry, or Rascal, maybe? Is there any other blue guns? I don't quite remember off the top of my head. I'm trying to avoid this snitch, by the way. Somebody called extraction, so I'm kind of worried that the Leaper isn't there. What's that? Oh, is that from the swamp? That really doesn't. I might kill a Rocketeer, honestly. If I can't find a Leaper, it's Rocketeer time. Besides, I do got a Showstopper as well. So maybe I can hit this guy. That guy die? Oh, that sucks. Anything good? I'll take the Il Toro to sell, but probably won't do anything else.
Hornet, down there.
Where'd that Rocketeer go? Right there.
Rocketeer, over there.
I think it's probably best to get to some good cover. This building would work well, I think. Yeah, let's do it. Aim for the thrusters. Should be all good. Just take your time. Is that one thruster down? Owie. Let's take some bandages. Whiff, that sucks. Oh, he back, he Angie. Oh no, Rocketeer will be a fine enough kill. Bro, smoking, it's not good for his health. Oh, you gotta be kidding me, bro. I got stuck on that thing, that sucks. Bro, that's so slow health too. I need to get myself another level 4 Pharaoh, bro. I do get to keep that key, so I'm not complaining. That's probably enough B-roll footage for Pharaoh. Keep that in my safe pocket just in case I lose it. Actually, I don't want to lose that silencer, so I'll just... That might help, actually, so... Anvil is kind of goated. I mean, we've all used it. God, that went harder than I ever needed the right to be. That was awesome. Jesus, I never really think that. Jeez. That music did not need to slap that hard for that moment, especially with how low my graphic settings are. Alright, where did we spawn? All the way across the map. Alright.
Let's go to the Port Authority building.
Have your eyes adjusted to the dark yet, Raider? Loot is ripe for the picking while most of Toledo is asleep. So my suppliers say that Ark is twice as vigilant after sunset.
Oh.
Hello there!
Hey, Raider. Since I'm so far away from this place, I might not have the key. Though this is a very tiny map. Riventide, I kinda... Oh, somebody just got spotted. I am not gonna push away my position to help you with that snitch problem. So I'm sure. Damn, that guy down. It's kind of spooky. Spoopy. Yeah, this map is full of airborne arcs.
Hornet. Firefly. Up there.
What are we looking at down there?
Bombardier. Down there.
Bombardier, what the fuck was that?
Spotter. Over there.
That's it, spotters. What do we got over there?
A Hornet by the Port Authority building.
I really don't want to get spotted by those twin spotters. But I think if I just stay quiet, I can...
Hornet.
If I really need to, I can just make a run for it. Those guys are heading towards me. I'm gonna... Oh. That might have been the Bastion, not the Bombardier. making a run for it. The guy's really close. Alright, we made it to the building. I know there is a shredder in here somewhere, so we find some good stuff in here to help it. Somebody's after that bombardier. There is a trial to kill one, so killing one now would be probably a good idea. I'll take that arpeggio, sell it. Jeez, the game really wants me to take this explosive compound, so I'm gonna do what it says. Exodus modules. Rare. Okay. Anvil's just goaded like that. Alright. Let's see if this room is worth it. I've heard bad things about this room. I've heard that it wasn't, in fact, worth it. There's another. Standard medium mag, alright. I'll take that ammo over the red egg. Blueprints, maybe? Another. Let's take the herbal bandages. This kind of sucks. That's a vaporizer. Rush the tools. I won't take that. One of those fuel canisters. I guess more heavy ammo is useful. I'm sure I'm gonna get out of here easier. Ooh! Ooh, I'm putting that in my... That just made this haul way worth it. I don't have any parts to make that. I haven't killed a turbine yet, but that's good. Do those only spawn Riptide? What's this called? The Power Descender blue? I really don't care if I die now. That'd be a nice tool to have. These are all useful parts. Wires, so I'll take them to scrap later or sell for some money. Make this a little worth it. Somebody's pissing off that vaporizer, which makes me very concerned of how I'm gonna get out of here alive. I know I just said I don't mind if I die, but, you know, it'd be nice not to. Look good on my record, at least. Though I'm not very good at surviving in this game. I think I've survived more missions than I've failed, but, you know. Who can tell? I'm pretty sure you can't see that. This room kind of sucks. I know it was only a green card, but this could have been better. I am on the night raid too, so you'd expect things to be nice. I know there's another key card that goes into that room right there, and that room might have better loot. I don't know what level that key card is. I'll take those. I'll just take more processors. I can use them to craft augments, or at least one augment that pink augment I'm able to craft. Okay, let's see if I die trying to leave. I mean, that thing is pretty close. So that bombardier is right by, and I think he's shooting. I think that's the sounds of the explosions I'm hearing. Oh, rubber ducky. Here, I'll get rid of this light ammo. I really don't need it. Anesthetic. Jeez! That better have been something, an arc being killed. I don't think that extraction is safe to get to. Sounds like there's every mother flipping arc on the whole game over there. What is it? I like them parts. I'll take the medium. I need more medium, I think. This room itself isn't too bad of a looting area. Oh, I'll take those. I take springs over these wires any day. I have a lot more wires than I do springs. A boat? That's good money, I think. What can I drop? This medium mag. I really don't need that, especially if it's. I've already know door slot taken up by that. But yeah, this room right here is a bad room to explore. I mean, one shots are as you'd expect. Alright. Beam.
Sorry, I'm at the vaporizer. Or yeah, I guess there's another Rocketeer.
Oh, they're having fun. I can drop this. Boat. Oh, I'll take the little boat. Now let's go do the other staircase. Let's get our asses out of here. I'd rather not. Lose this. Oh, I won't lose the blueprint if I die, but you know. What are the chances people haven't looted this yet? Nah, it's fully looted. I'm wasting my time. I need to get out of here. Besides, I have no inventory space for any old bombardier cells. I need to just get my ass out of here. Yogurters.
Hello there.
Jeez, if I can hit my shots first.
Hey, watch out behind you.
Jesus, the Ark should be scared of us.
Spotter.
Nice. Well, I mean, I can't complain. Like, I guess the key was technically free. Plus, I gotta get a nice blueprint out of it, but... Oh, I leveled up. Ugh. Leveled up. Almost level 4. Jeez. Oh, and I got extended shotgun mode. Loot weapon crates. How do you do that so Ow, my neck. Can the mic catch the cracking of my neck? I don't know, maybe. Well, that was fun. I don't think it was entirely worth it. I mean, Exodus modules was nice. Rubber ducky.